Taihcool supplies refrigeration compressor of well-known brand Danfoss. Here we have two different types: reciprocating compressor and scroll compressor. Each type has its own product series with different specification. Danfoss piston compressor has several series for choice, matching different types of refrigerant and application. Danfoss scroll compressor has MLZ and LLZ series for choice, meeting different clients' demand for hotel use, home use, project use, etc. The biggest difference between reciprocating compressor and scroll compressor is their core tech applied. The scroll compressor could be better to save energy and bring high efficiency. Taihcool Refrigeration has 13-year experience in cooling industry, supplying other different types of refrigeration use products, such as industrial chiller, condensing unit. We has our own production line and support customization service. If you're interested in more detail for business, please contact us by WhatsApp or email.